So good day, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine this. You are in the middle of the natural disaster. A severe flood has hit your area. The electricity is gone. Mobile signal is disappeared. The internet is down. You try to contact your family. You try to call correspondence for the emergency, but no signal. So what should you do? This is the imaginary situations. During major flood in Malaysia, telecommunication towers has been shut down due to the power disruption and infrastructure damage. According to the Malaysia Communication Multimedia Communications and National Disaster Management Agency, so communication disruption is one of the critical challenges during disaster situations. Traditional communication systems such as mobile networks, Wi-Fi depends heavily on infrastructure like the fiber optic. We call it is the fiber optic using for the electricity supply. Communication tower, phones for the infrastructure. So everything, when this system fails, communication becomes impossible. My name is Liana binti Yusof. So my ID number is 2025 275520 for the sales representative executive, known as the HybridLink system, by cover for the satellite communication. So this system is really designed to ensure continuous connectivity during for the emergency disaster. So this is a background for the mesh emergency communication, which is decentralized communication networks where connected devices transmit and rely data directly between one another. Currently, mesh communication systems are mainly used by military organization, am I right? And disaster response agency. So now, for the HybridLink improve for the, so by transforming it into the affordable and use-friendly solution by public use. So this combines two powerful technology, which is a communication system, communication mesh, and another one is satellite backup communication. So this one to ensure that our communication continues even during major disasters. So the problem issue, which is during disaster, what? Communication network are often the first system fails. So without this stable communication, for the first emergency response becomes slower. Rescue coordinates become difficult. So our family cannot contact each other. Increase among the victims. Which is the communication system still cooperate when the traditional networks is a fail. The first is network phone, the 4G and the 5G. So this one is the call it is a 4G and the 5G. That we call it is a network 4G and the 5G networks. Second is the B choice, is the HybridLink that we introduce now. The third one is standard Wi-Fi network that I show you just now. So which one the answer that you can choose now? So of course, we give you the HybridLink. So the answer is B. So the solution is HybridLink. Is an innovative emergency communication platform designed to ensure the stable communication during disaster, network failure, and infrastructure breakdowns. Okay, so when normal communication networks are available, so HybridLink function is like a standard communication. During our state, it automatically switch mode into the mesh. So if mesh range becomes unavailable, it escalates to satellite connectivity. So we have this system. We have a mesh Wi-Fi mode. We have a data mode. So we just input another one for the satellite HybridLink mode. So this, why? Because all can use all the user can communicate using device they are already known now. The secondly, practicality. If it's used existing technologies such as I said just now, explain the Wi-Fi directly, Bluetooth mode. And we just put another one, HybridLink mode is a mesh direct to connected satellite communication. Same things. So the third one is silence. It provides alternative communication pathway. So finally is a for scalability. It can be expanded for the residential area, disaster shelter and emergency response operation. So the conclusion about the HybridLink, which is an advanced emergency communication system designed to keep people connected when traditional networks fail. By combining mesh networks and satellite backup, it improves actually for the emergency responder, support faster disaster coordinations. So because this is a time of the disaster happens, so we don't need to panic. So now the communication is not just convenience. So this is, we call it, is survival. Thank you very much for today.